English conversation.
How to say arrive in English. Arrive in. You arrive in a city or country. For example, we arrived in London at 2 a.m. Arrive at. You arrive at a place such as a house, hotel, or airport. For example, they arrived at the airport at 10:30. You arrive home. Don't say, arrive to a place or arrive to home. For example, he arrived home at midnight. You arrive here, there, or back. Don't say, arrive to here, or arrive to there. For example, call me when you arrive there. Get. You get to a city, country, or other place. For example, we got to Paris at 5 a.m. We got to the station at 10:30. You get home. For example, he got home at midnight. You get here, get there, or get back. For example, call me when you get there. Reach. You reach a city, country, or other place. Don't say, reach to a place. For example, the climbers reached the summit of the mountain. You reach home, reach here, or reach there. Don't say, reach to home, reach to here, or reach to there. For example, you should reach there around 9:45 a.m.
Speak English fluently.